In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a full FAQ page on Shopify. By the end, you'll have a clear, professional place for customers to find answers, which can reduce support tickets and boost trust. Start by opening your Shopify admin. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the Sales Channels section and choose Online Store. This is where your storefront content lives, including themes, navigation, and the static pages we're about to create. Within Online Store, select Pages. Pages are perfect for evergreen content like FAQs, contact information, or policy details. This keeps your answers in one reliable place that you can update anytime. Next, click Add Page. You're creating a brand new page dedicated to customer questions and answers. At the top, enter a clear title such as FAQ or Frequently Asked Questions. Short, obvious titles help visitors immediately recognize what the page is about. If you serve a specific niche, you can include a bit more context, like FAQ, shipping, returns, and sizing, but keep it concise. Now move to the content editor. This is where you'll write the questions and answers. A simple structure works best. Make each question stand out and follow it with a brief, direct answer. Keep your language friendly and straightforward. Aim to cover the topics customers ask most often, like shipping times, return or exchange policies, order changes, sizing guidance, and payment methods. When answers get long, break them into short paragraphs or use lists to keep everything scannable. You can also add links to your policies or sizing guides so readers can dig deeper without hunting around your site. Formatting helps a lot here. Use headings for questions to create a visual rhythm, and keep answers in normal text. Consistent formatting makes it easier for visitors to skim and find what they need quickly. If you include images or small icons, make sure they add clarity rather than clutter. When your content looks good, click Save. Saving publishes your draft so you can preview how it appears on your storefront. If something feels unclear, come back and refine the wording. FAQs are living documents. Update them whenever you spot repeat questions in support tickets or introduce a new product line. That's it. You've created a complete FAQ page in Shopify. You navigated to Online Store, opened Pages, added a new page, titled it clearly, wrote helpful content, and saved your work. Keep refining over time, and your FAQ will become one of the most valuable resources on your site.